Hello everyone and welcome to this video on mindfulness and meditation practices for mental health. In this video, we will be discussing the benefits of mindfulness and meditation practices and how they can help improve mental health. We will also be providing some simple mindfulness and meditation techniques that you can try at home. What is mindfulness? Mindfulness is a practice of paying attention to the present moment, without judgment or distraction. It is a way of focusing your mind on the present moment, and becoming aware of your thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations. There are many benefits to practicing mindfulness, including reducing stress and anxiety, improving concentration and focus, increasing self-awareness, and improving overall well-being. How mindfulness can improve mental health? Mental health is a critical component of overall well-being. Many mental health conditions, such as anxiety and depression, can be caused by stress and negative thoughts. Mindfulness can help reduce stress and negative thoughts, which can help improve mental health. One of the primary ways that mindfulness can improve mental health is by reducing stress. Stress is a natural response to challenging situations, but chronic stress can have a significant negative impact on mental health. Mindfulness can help reduce stress by teaching individuals to focus on the present moment, rather than worrying about the past or future. Another way that mindfulness can improve mental health is by increasing self-awareness. When individuals are more aware of their thoughts and feelings, they can identify negative thought patterns and work to change them. This can help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression and improve overall well-being. How meditation can improve mental health? Meditation is a practice of training your mind to focus and become more aware of your thoughts and feelings. There are many different types of meditation, but they all share the goal of improving mental and physical well-being. Meditation can improve mental health in many of the same ways that mindfulness can. It can help reduce stress and anxiety, increase self-awareness, and improve overall well-being. Additionally, meditation has been shown to improve mood and decrease symptoms of depression. Meditation and mindfulness techniques. Now that we have discussed the benefits of mindfulness and meditation, let's explore some simple techniques that you can try at home. 1. Mindful breathing. Mindful breathing is a simple technique that can be done anywhere, at any time. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or standing, and focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Try to focus your attention on your breath and let go of any distracting thoughts. 1. Body scan meditation. Body scan meditation is a technique that can help increase self-awareness and reduce stress. Lie down on your back and focus your attention on your body. Starting with your feet, scan your body from bottom to top, paying attention to any areas of tension or discomfort. Try to relax these areas as you scan your body. 1. Loving kindness meditation. Loving kindness meditation is a technique that can help increase feelings of compassion and empathy. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or standing, and focus your attention on a loved one. Visualize them in your mind's eye and send them positive thoughts and feelings. Repeat this process with different loved ones, and then expand your focus to include all beings. Conclusion. In conclusion, mindfulness and meditation practices can have significant benefits for mental health. They can help reduce stress, increase self-awareness, and improve overall well-being. By incorporating these techniques into your daily routine, you can experience the many benefits of mindfulness and meditation. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. For more videos, stay tuned with us.